Hey, Susan, hold on, hang tight. Susan, are you comfortable
today,
with this?
I just woke up
All right.
and I said, instead of waiting on a good day, waiting around through ups and downs, waiting on something to happen, I just said, we're gonna have a good day, and all my homies gonna ride today. That's right.
All right, that was Susan, and she was climbing her first ladder. And this video, we're going to talk to you about the most effective way to bird proof. So when we go out and bird proof, we make sure that we go out there and do things the right way. We use the right tools. As you can see here, we have the Wrangler that we use, and we want to make sure that we don't pinch wires or anything else like that. So we educate people when it comes to bird proofing and how to bird proof and making sure that they're doing it the right way. Some guys like to take the shortcuts, and they would do stuff that they really should not be doing. So they put in the wrong mesh, or they go out there and, as you can see here, they put it up and over the panel, which is the incorrect way to do it. And we like to go and make sure that we give out a warranty when we are doing our bird proofing. We're cleaning underneath the solar panels. We're making sure that we put in enough clips to go out there and make sure that it is secure when we put the mesh on itself. And so we go the extra mile when we go out and we clean solar panels. Part of that is using a deionized system where we use purified water. That is the correct method of doing bird proofing and cleaning solar panels. So we gotta have the right equipment when we're using that. And this is what we're really proud of, is using that with no soaps, no detergents, to void your warranty. You know, pigeons are a big part of the problem here in Los Angeles, and we get lots of them. So we want to make sure that we go out there and do a good job when it comes down to bird proofing. We want to make sure that we put the right material in, the best material in, good quality material, and we just want to make sure that we're not coming back to a customer's house when we're done. So it doesn't matter who you hire, just make sure that they're qualified to do bird proofing and they have the experience, they have the reviews, and they've been in the business for a while. Just make sure that you know what you're paying for. There's a lot of guys out there that are just fly by night. They'll come out and then you may not see them ever again. So just be really careful with that when you're trying to hire somebody to do your bird proofing. With that being said, we hope you guys enjoyed the most effective way to go out there and bird proof a home, the most effective method. And we're going to go ahead and finish this off with a little bit of clips that you guys can watch and how we do our work. So with that, we'll see you guys on the next video.